There's a lot of professional engineers working on these systems, so that's a higher degree category, but then there's also a lot of people out on the sites doing O&M or commissioning or project managers who maybe don't even have a bachelor's degree. They've gone through construction training and classes, and it's more on-the-job training.
I would recommend anyone who says, I'm going to be a solar engineer, to think twice about that and say, I'm going to be an energy engineer. And I will choose what is the most economic, the most safe, the most reliable. Most of the time, that's going to be a combination that includes a big chunk of solar.
I have a master's in civil engineering. I'll be perfectly honest and say that most of what I use, I learned on the job.
Skills that are really good to have are hands-on skills, really knowing how the whole thing goes together. And the best way, I think, doing that is to get some training and then to go out and actually get a job or volunteer doing work.
I think it's to blend, to not just spend time in the classroom, although I think that is extremely important, but to mix the classroom with the actual real-world installations. Even engineers should put on the tools once in a while and get out there.
I took the MREA and became a site assessor. I recently passed the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners and NABCEP PV Technical Sales exam, so I'm certified for that.
We did everything from, AC, DC theory and rotating machines, transformers, power distribution, lighting, linear and power electronics. We got a very diverse and comprehensive set of experience.
I got basic electrical training in volts and amps and watts and electrical technology at a community college.
I have a bachelor's degree in appropriate technology, and I'm a licensed electrician.
I think a great path is to get some training, get some experience, and then go for the NABCEP certification.
The NABCEP certification is really huge, and it just covers a lot of the bases and just really shows a commitment to learning more about the technology.
It sets you apart from everyone else. And just to pass that test, it's a pretty rigorous test. Once you get through that, you're pretty set.
The one most important thing, be able to handle change. Things change rapidly in this industry. What we're doing this year, we probably will be doing differently next year.
Skills that you need to use the new equipment and design systems that are compliant with the National Electrical Code, which changes every 3 years, and so just getting up-to-date training is really important.
The continual process of improvement is what I like to tell people. As we learn more and more, we just want to keep these systems getting better and better.